and gentlemen, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, hello, hello. How are we? Back on this again. And we still got that nail to deal with right there. There's a nail protruding out of the bloody key. So as I mentioned, I don't really do 21st keys, okay? And well, turns out I gotta do one. This is pretty much a family job, this one. And she's been a nightmare so far. She has been a nightmare. We've got 2 nails to deal with. This timber is riddled with nails, okay? We've got the majority of them cut off down the bottom. And now we got to deal with one here and one there. How are we doing, guys? Yo, Kratoinkas, thank you very much for the 2 months, my brother. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. How are we? We're back outside. Hello there, is live on YouTube. Kia ora. Just turn out the camera on, eh? Hello. There yous are. There yous are. Alright guys, I had a bit of a, if you're not part of the Discord, I had a bit of a thought last night. Your boy had a bit of a thought last night, okay? Now, as we all know, the price for food is going up. And I, as a father, sometimes prepares the school lunches. And so, the thought came to me. I may start learning how to bake for my kids' school lunches while streaming it. I'm a simple man. A steak with salt is a very top tier dish to me, okay? I don't really cook gourmet meals for myself. But yeah, that was the thought that I had, okay? 49 days sober today, W-man's my bro, and a lifetime ahead of you. It is a nice fresh Monday morning here, guys. Monday morning. Alright? I probably won't be doing any other cultures carving style, my bro, sorry. So we're just, yeah, we're in the process of starting this 21st key. It's taken a while because, yeah, just a lot of nails in it, and I'm being a stingy guy. And I don't want to use my own carving tools. Yeah. So I might start streaming myself learning how to bake, okay? For the kids' school lunches. I'm thinking we try cookies first. You're on Twitch, correct? I'm on Twitch, kicking YouTube, good sir. What time is it over there? It is 8:57 AM. 8:57 AM. So today, what we're going to be doing, obviously it's still a bit early. So we'll just chip away at it ever so lightly before we start banging it really hard. But it's good to see everybody. Hope everyone had a solid weekend. I don't know if you've been on Twitter, but it looks like Power World is releasing some cards. And I want some. Okay? Also, I went to go and fight that knight-looking pal last night. Unfortunately, I killed him. So, we'll wait a couple days or a couple hours, however long it takes for him to respawn, and we'll try and catch him again. Yeah, bro, my cat sword killed him too hard because they bounce around. Yeah, knock him. I think he's just like that full set of armor looking dude. I may have adventured a bit too hard last night. I am now level 50 from 45. Yeah. I adventured a bit too hard last night, and I caught some new pals, and it was fun. Depends on the server settings. Yeah, no, I haven't changed any of the server settings. Like, it's all still factory. Can be ages on the hardcore servers. Yeah, I'll just play the game as usual and go check the spot now and again. So yeah, we caught a few pals, we hatched a few pals. I got 3 of these It's some fire goat looking thing with rock hands and big horns. I got 3 of those last night from eggs while adventuring around. And I've just been collecting. All I did last night was collected honey. You collected honey and just getting stuff ready to make cakes. Socks. Yeah, I think that's it. It's got like a big white mane, rock hands. Here we got 3 of them from 3 eggs. They beat me up first time I found it. Really? I haven't come across any yet, but yeah, it's I've just been on the adventure vibes lately on the Power World. I've got so much stuff that I need to learn. Tune in the back sounds familiar. I just chose a game music playlist. I'm about as unaware as Alan Stone. Yeah, I'm about as unaware as Alan Stone, my bro. But yeah, in saying that too, yeah, Power World's making some cards. And I'm going to try and get some. Because some of their workers follow me on Twitter. I don't normally like to do that, but I may have to flex the Brock's reputation. Because I'm only just getting into TCG. And I'll be damned if a scalper beats me to some fucking Power World cards. I say that to all the scalpers out there. I will come into your dreams and I'll kick your knees. Leave the Power World cards alone, you dogs. Yeah, leave the Power World cards alone. What is that? Sorry, something just popped up on the screen. There we go. Yeah, these all these sections we dropped, we probably can drop them a bit more, like a little bit deeper with all these. But the thing we kind of need to figure out right now is how we're gonna do, like, get all of this out. I'm thinking, because I still don't want to use my power tools because I'm stingy, because there's nails in it. I might just do cuts on all the points. Probably not this one because there's a nail right there. On all the points. Just so I can take them out easy. I think that's what I'll do for now. But for now we're just going to clean up all of this end here. I will have to get my blocks though. I was wondering why it was so low. So how was your guys' weekend? I'm not watching the World Cup. I lost interest when Norway wasn't in it anymore. Because I'm Norway mana. I'm just gonna say it. The Norwegian Miku looked the best. But do you... when was this? Did I go to Pick and Save last week? I can't remember. Might have been. It's me and had dinner with the fam. Oh geez, you'll be going to bed soon, eh? Yeah, it would have been me. I do remember going to Pick and Save a couple weeks ago. Me, my wife and the baby. Yeah, I think that might be the play, eh? Just do light cuts, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I'm so stingy and I don't want to use my power tools, guys. That'll be a hard one. I don't know what angle this one's going. Basically, threw him over the fence. Hi, here, seeing your mahi on Facebook. Oh, hello. Yeah, I took my kids to school too. I didn't throw them over the fence though, but yeah, I did the same. Yeah, kids are back to school, man. Feels good. Feels good. Yeah, it's been surprising how well Facebook has been. Because I only just made there like, what, 2-3 weeks ago? I'll probably download some more clips today, add them to Facebook. I should really monetize my Facebook, eh? Crazy how much views videos on there get. Yo, what up, Noah? How are you, brother? But hopefully I get this new job, a bit of hours, I can work from home. Oh, nice, my bro. Yeah, I might have to wake up around your times too, my bro. I got given a pretty big opportunity to be a part of. And it's at 3 AM for us, but I couldn't say no to it, eh? I'll reveal more in the future, but I'm under like heavy NDA about it. I can't tell you what it is, what it's for, but it is an opportunity I could not say no to. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool, man. And also just trying to work out some collabs while I'm in America in September too. Just hit up a few people. Should be good, should be good. And surprisingly enough, yeah, got contacted by League of Legends on Instagram. Was The Witcher? Oh yeah, man, I wouldn't mind doing another Witcher playthrough, eh? The Witcher is such a good game, man. Such a good game. So you will most likely get into some heavy banging a little later. But for now, we're just gonna focus on cleaning these up a bit more. Yeah. So they commented on one of my posts. Oh, first it was low esports, and then they came in like a couple days later. Then I just noticed I had messages in the business section of Instagram, and I was like, huh, what's this? And they were in there. Which was pretty buzzy. They're saying, we love your wood carving and what you do. We'd love to know what your league account is. Like your Riot ID? I was like, oh, okay. I don't know what for, but yeah. Well, I'd love to watch. Yeah, it's been a long time since I've played The Witcher. Yeah, I've watched your YouTube videos, and you're probably the nicest person I've ever seen, brother. Much respect to you. Hey, what's up, brother Snow? Nice to meet you, brother. Yo, Little Rock. Been watching the clips for a while. Love what you do. Keep it up. Thank you very much, Little Rock. Appreciate you, my brother. Also, did you make the hammer? Yeah. So in Whakairo, so we use these mallets here. It's made out of rata. R-A-T-A is the hard timber we use. The most ideal. We have other ones, but this is probably the most dense and flexible one we have. So it actually starts off as a vine, and it takes over the tree, and then later just strangles it and pretty much takes over the host tree and becomes what you see here, rata. And so when I was a carving student, that's one of the first things we have to make too, is our own mallets. And this is one I made. It was much bigger than this, like it was thicker. But I had to shave it down because I took this to Australia to do a project there last year. So we did a front panel for a PC for Aftershock. So that was a pretty amazing opportunity to have as well. And yeah, took old Beastie over to PAX. Meant to go for bro, thank you bro. Bro, Little Rock, you just got here, brother. Jeepers, my bro. All the skins in League of Legends. I'll be honest, man, there's only one skin I want in League of Legends, eh? As a whole. Probably be, oh, there's two. It'll be Pax Jax and Black Alistair, the orange one. Handmade, yeah, I handmade it. There were points. So I was carving this panel for the PC. I actually started it in the hotel room. I stayed in the Crown Hotel, very fancy place by the way. And I was doing light taps in the hotel room. I made sure to keep the wood itself in the bag so it would catch all the wood chips. And then eventually I finished it on the last day of PAX, stained it and everything too. So yeah, that was one thing that we got to do for with Aftershock. And shout out to them as always for that opportunity too. That was pretty cool. That was pretty cool. That was a pretty cool moment. Yeah, so I did stream bits of it while I was at PAX. And I ended up doing just a showcase of it too, like an IRL showcase. Okay. In front of everybody. My main concern was hopefully, you know, not shooting people in the head with wood chips. That was the main thing for me. I love your energy. You've been popping up on my Instagram a lot, and love the mentality has helped me overcome some times in life. I appreciate you, and I hope you're well. First of all, I'm glad that you've overcome those steps, eh? Over the last week and a bit, I've been getting a lot of DMs from people just opening up. I've been trying my best to reply to all of them, and there've even been some people, you know, that have kind of reached out and said, how are you though, you know, which I appreciate too. But yeah, trying my best to reply to everyone's DMs from a post that went out quite far. Just people wanting to vent and talk, which is very good in my opinion, because I don't want anyone to hold that in, eh? Yeah, because you never know. Would you ever make one on stream? Yeah, probably. I'll probably do a more detailed one though. If I can get a PC case, like in the future, and pretty much, you know, do one myself, that would be fun without the pressures of trying to get it done ASAP. Because I just chose, chose my favorite design to do for this PC. Because I knew, you know, confidently I could bang it out in a short amount of time. Throughout homes, even untraditional, like a, yeah, bro. So, I've got some timber. And my father-in-law wants us to do a piece for their house. Now, the timber itself is Totara, T-O-T-A-R-A. But the special thing about this tree that they want me to carve is that it was the tree where our families would bury our kids' whenua. So whenua is like a placenta. So that's kind of the tree where we would bury them under. And unfortunately, there was one big storm that kind of split the tree in half, so it had to be cut down because you know, it was hazardous. And so I asked for, you know, some sections of that tree, and I put the suggestion towards my father-in-law to see if they'd want a carving out of the tree. You know, the special tree to our family, especially for our children too. And yeah, the joy I get is doing it on stream. And doing a big piece, because, bro, I miss doing big pieces, eh? So yeah, in our culture, sometimes, you know, with the whenua or the placenta, we'll take it, you know, bury it in the ground and place a tree on top of it, okay? Just so you'll know, you know, so that tree will be, you know, closely tied to the family. And the reason why we chose to do it by the tōtara tree is because the tōtara tree, or the native red pine, is a renowned tree to our people. For example, when, you know, someone within our families or someone that was quite prominent in our culture, there's a proverb we would say that goes, "Kua hinga he tōtara o te waunui a tāne." A great tōtara tree has fallen in the forest of Tāne Mahuta, who is the god of the forest, and basically meaning someone renowned or a great elder of our people has passed. So hence the reason why, you know, that was a very important tree to our family. And yeah, just a little bit of insight into that and the meaning behind it too, of that proverb as well. So yeah, I love to, you know, give a little bit to you guys, and you can just say his name, because I love to share. If you have similar proverbs in your cultures too, let me know. I'm keen to learn from yous too. Just putting it out there. So this 21st key is for my cousin, okay? This could potentially be something we call a aroha job. What is the aroha job? You get paid with love. Love, hugs, and a thank you, basically. That's why your boy don't do 21st keys anymore. Love our culture, my toy of choices, raranga. Oh, nice! Yeah, my mum and my mother-in-law do raranga as well. For my son, for the harakiki, my mum planted in my nest. Che, that's mean. That's mean as. One of my favourite raranga, kai raranga, is one of my good bros. His name's Corey Masters. If you don't know him, check out his mahi. But he done a lot of the port. Oh, he's the leader of Ngāti Whakairo. So if you ever see him in his do-ups, yeah, he's probably my favourite kairaranga. Rebel King 98, thank you for the Optimus Prime, good sir. Thank you. Hello from the other side of the world, from Greece. Hey, welcome my Greek brother. I understand my name means rain in your language, and I love the rain too. Your boy loves the rain. Around the 2-hour mark, guys, we might bring the talkers in, eh? Love from England, Joe Rebel King. Don't stay up too late though. I know you're in England, so I know it'll be really, really late, okay? Cheers, my brother. I wish I paid more attention while learning about Maori culture. I find it is too 25 or so before I felt interested. True, are you from Tūhoe? We're probably cousins. You caught me off guard now with your knowledge. Yeah, I always got told from people from Greece. they would say, "Do you like rain?" I was like, I'm like, you know that one scene, in White Chicks with Terry Crews, and he's like, "Oh, how did you know?" Girl, we gonna get along just fine. So yeah, I do love the rain, but I come from a place where it rains quite heavily, and I grew up in a corrugated iron shed with my grandfather sometimes, you know. So yeah, I do love the rain, my bro. I haven't heard of the bro, but my favourite kairanga is Charlene Fraser. I love it, mahi. It's super intricate. Yeah, man, it's crazy how super intricate some of these kairanga, eh? Shush. I'm staying up to hopefully watch Spain. Oh, isn't that on now? I thought it was on now. I hope Spain wins, eh? Sorry, Argentina. But you's got one now. Stop being greedy. Yeah, sorry. Man wants Spain to win. What's up, Toodley? Hope your Monday is going well. Good, my bro, it is going well. Got the kids to school. Now we're back into routine, my bro. My daughter has basketball today, so gonna be on that after school. So it's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. How's it in Christchurch, my bro? Oh, it must be cold down there. Hey, brother, I got a question. Do you have a gaming channel, like a YouTube gaming one? Yeah, it's called Brock's Live, I think, or Brock's Place. I've got to start uploading to it again. I kind of forgot my password. But in terms of gaming, brother, I do it on Twitch sometimes. I'll probably be doing it on Kick more now that I'm a partner as well. You're whānau from Tūhoe. Yeah, I probably won't say my surname on stream though, just want to put it out there. So I don't know, someone might come over and ask me, you know, touch their chickens or something. I don't know. Fully understand, yeah. It's currently studying and today it is my first day back. Oh, che! She's a bit chilly down here. You never know, Nia. You never know. There's some people out there. You never know what they want you to do. That was just a stab in the dark. Oh, I was so keen for KFC last night, eh? But I ended up having chicken and rice. I need something simple to learn how to bake. A cookie's quite simple. I know you gotta use a shit ton of butter, eh? Yeah, it was just a random thought I had last night. I was like, shit, I should learn how to bake on stream. And plus, it'll be good for the kids' lunches. It'll be cheaper. Instead of buying. Probably better to make than buy. Cookies are easy to start with. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how to bake for shit, guys. We'll put it this way, I'm from the bush. Okay? As a dessert for us is steak. Butter cost, yeah, butter. The cost of butter is crazy, eh, right now. You can probably like have how many blocks of butter and you might be able to buy you a house. Imagine though. I bought a lotto ticket for the first time in a long time over the weekend. And then I went to check it on, yeah, still broke. Still a loser. But I always get told don't go to the counter, choose your own numbers these days. I'm like, oh, I don't have time to do that. I just want to go home. There's recipes that don't need butter. Fry bread dessert. I have been seeing people trying a fry bread dessert. So they have the fry bread itself and they're putting ice cream in it. When I say ice cream, I mean a whole magnum and pulling the stick out. Is any, I'm gonna say it, any big backs in the chat tried that? Because I mean I will, but I just don't know how to make fry bread. I never questioned my nan's fry bread, so I never wanted to make them. Let me know, I might have to watch Paris Nuku. Shout out to Paris Nuku, by the way. She's on TikTok. Cake in a cup is... I was thinking, so this is what my big back ass was thinking. I was thinking, make the cookies but use a cupcake tin. Put all the dough in. Put one block of chocolate in the middle, seal it. See, I haven't even made them yet and the big back is coming out. Dangerous, eh? A food truck does it down here. Oh man, that's what our town lacks, bro. Food trucks. When we were in Taupo, we wanted to try these. There was a trucker in Taupo that done birria tacos, but it just got too cold for the kids. So like, no, we'll just have something else. Ooh, I do love quiche. I do love quiche. My nan used to make a pretty mantis quiche. You want to bake cookies flat though, otherwise it will fold it on itself and become like a thick, dense cake. Really? That's good to know. Oh, what was that? Not a bad idea then. Thank you very much to Don Nalgas 2 for the Optimus Prime. SMG, are you giving me ideas? Food trucks are on at the moment. Yeah, one of the bros that I met in Australia at PAX, who we did the PC for, was someone from here, from Aotearoa by the way, and his brother owns a burger joint down in Christchurch that I want to go and see. Papa Smashy's Burgers. So he was telling me if you're ever in Christchurch, go through and see the bro's shop. It's like, bro. And then I followed him on Insta and I was like, whoo, they actually look really good. So yeah, if you're in Christchurch, go and try the bro's burgers out. Making my own butter is super easy. Just a jar, some heavy cream, reciprocating salt 4 minutes, and unsalted butter. Wait, you saw it? What? What's a reciprocating saw? It sucked the way we had to make butter back home. It took hours. And my nan was a really grumpy person. She said, just sit there and wait till it's butter. Keep going. I was like, bro. She'll just sit there and go, keep going. I'm going for a smoke outside. I was like, bro. Like a big jigsaw. Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm getting a cold head. So we got some bakers in the chatty. Yeah, that's right. Sorry, I'm on in. Oh yeah, we'll wait for the bro. So all I'm trying to do right now is just get rid of all the, like this kind of stuff off the top. That's all we're doing right now, just the outside really. And then if we want to cheat and clean it up, just orbital. But it won't matter though, because half of this will come off when we start molding. Super easy and the kids can do it. Oh, true. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, I'm on Kick, Twitch, and YouTube right now. I'll most likely bring TikTok into the mix around 2 hours. And then after stream today, so I try and I'm gonna try and get into the groove of I don't know, I might just stick to 3 hours. You know, after watching Ludwig and Agents classes from Streamer University, it made me think, you know. It genuinely made me think about it. Like, I won't lie, 4 hours is a good amount of time for me, like depending on the workload. But it kind of made me think that, you know, 3 hours is a pretty solid time to stream, which also gives me enough time to go and train too, like for the gym, because, you know, I'm kind of really focusing on my health too. So I think that's something that I want to genuinely focus on too. Thank you very much, Father Chill GG, for the follow. Is that you, Snow? Chill, my bro. Yeah, so I think if we push past the 3 hours, majority of the time, it's probably because the work is flowing. Does that make sense? It kind of, watching Ludwig's class, it kind of really made me, it kind of opened my eyes to it, eh? Like, I feel like I'm not even scratching the surface of streaming as a whole. It's something that made me genuinely think about it for a little bit. And make it healthier. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I won't lie, I got a bit of a sweet tooth, but yes, we are trying to be healthier these days. yeah, I've been really knuckling down on my health quite a lot. Like over the holidays, I had like 2 days where I just stopped doing it, just enjoying the holidays with the kids, basically. The sound, yeah, it's just game music. Because I know it's safe to play when I'm live on YouTube. If I play, like, for example, I don't know, an Eminem kind of thing, then our VODs on YouTube will get cooked as well. Yeah, snow. So I started doing calorie deficit around October. October is when I started. And I've been on it ever since. So I was 146 kgs. I am now 119. So I think I've plateaued quite a bit because I go between 122 and 118, so around that area. So I think we need to change it up some more because my goal weight is to be between 100 and 110. So those are the two goals. Oh, that's the area that I want to kind of sit comfortably. And if I think I can do more, then I'll carry on. No lower than 90, 95. I don't like being too light because it feels yuck. I don't like it. But yeah, we've been at it for a fair amount of time, and so I trained with my cousin too because he's on Hereditary Tide, and your hands don't get sore from this? Nah, my bro, I got crocodile skin. So my cousin's on, he's doing Redder, and we finished gym, we were like pumped up, and you could see the difference between someone who's not and someone who is. Because obviously my muscles were a lot more full, like, and his were full, but he was smaller, so I had, bigger frame. Because he asked me if I wanted to do it, I was like, nah, I'm all good. I found something that works for me, so just continue as I am. Does your chisel with the bevel go well? Smacking across the grain? Yeah, I usually go on an angle. It's gangster, well done, good commitment. Thank you. Yeah, I started when I went back to Kapahaka, because with Kapahaka, different kind of fitness. I do gym streams now and again. I just gotta get past the mental of it, like having a camera and the bloody in the gym. Like I have been doing some gym streams for my cooldowns towards the end, because I'm trying to learn how to snatch too. Exercise was handy, but maintaining the calorie deficit was probably the hardest thing about losing the weight. Yeah, it can be, bro. It can be. Something that I'm getting into as well is running. So I want to try and be more athletic these days, rather than big man. Because I did powerlifting back in the day, and then I got bored of it. Yeah, so I'd rather be more athletic for the kids these days. Especially now that they're getting older and, they want to start doing things with me. Yeah, so they want to start doing a few things with me as well. How you been, Raccoon City? I gotta give you VIP on there too. Now I'm down to 240. Nice, my bro. Okay. I think we'll get the saw. And start doing all these chick cuts, eh? So the reason, to those that are new, the reason why I'm not using my power tools, I'm being pretty stingy because this wood is laced with bloody nails. Yeah, and I don't want to use my nice Makita tools on a nail-induced timber. Why? Because it's for my cousin's son. So I'd rather not use my nice tools. I'd rather be manual man and use a saw. Little to no margin, selling it. Reinvest in their farms because they have been nothing but hamlet since law. This is so high at the moment. Yeah, yeah. Laxton. So yeah, let me get my manual saw and we'll make some chick cuts in. Sorry I'm being stingy with my tools, that's just how I'm gonna be, it's a family job. So meh, I'm probably just gonna get a hug from this. My $12 pants I got from Kmart. I just needed some pants checked because all mine were in the washing for about 2 weeks that I could not be bothered hanging out on the line because it's too cold. Make some machine noises. Yeah, fuck, there's a lot of dangerous bits and bobs in this wood, man. I might actually turn it around, eh? So I can see where I'm cutting. What noise does a saw make? Sub with Twitch Prime, sub with Twitch Prime, sub with Twitch Prime. No. That's the sound a saw makes. Sorry, I had to be cheeky there. Alright. This may take a while, guys, so bear with me. This is where we just conversate for a while. Like. Just marking it out. Oh, who do we get rated by? Oh, Delio! Hey, Delio, thank you very much for the raid. Hope you had a good stream. Hope you had a good stream. So I'm just marking it out. Thank you very much for the raid. Good to see you once again. 3. I've never done this method before, but yeah. Being stingy with the tools, eh? Three. Yeah, I don't want to use my machine. Unless there's a definite, I know that there's nail there, then I'll probably use it. 2, 3, 4. We should be good. I'm waiting for a pink. Teeth from the nails. Yeah, we're good. I won't say bro's name fully, but that's my uncle. Yeah, Toe's my uncle. This poor man, I know, bro. Bro, I'm just waiting for a like a nail. Yeah, Toe's he's always been one of my gym inspirations ever since he was big, eh? I remember seeing him 2009 in Tauranga. Fuck, mean. Help me learn the gym too. It would be good for help at the gym, even if you want. Yeah. Nah, he's the man. And then, yeah. And then being in Mātaro myself and seeing, just seeing him do his thing. Oh yeah, it's tangata. Hold up. Nah, that's wood. Yo, what up, Luke? Okay, we're good. Whoa. I can't believe I'm doing this, bro. Who was that? Oh, Luke! Thank you for the 57 months, my bro. I'm from the US and I haven't seen one. Yeah, Kmart's are still around. Yeah, this is where I got my pants from. They were $12. Your game will give you that. Yeah, reason I just, stingy. I don't want my tools to get damaged for a family job. Can suck my foot for that. After a hot day. Keep out of the forest or Lindenwood. It's already taken a little over 100 hours. Wow, that's a lot. Yeah, I'll probably see Toe at the gym today. Oh, mind you, no, he'll be back at school now. Oh my gosh. Okay, all good. Glad we haven't had a nail, bro. Even when he's at Mahi, yeah. He'll probably go to the gym this afternoon. Has there been a couple nails yet? 1, 2. There were 2 here that we cut, unfortunately. And then there's another 2 on the side that we're going to be showing soon. Dedication, yeah. Oh, he's got mana dedication. So there's, I don't know if you can hear this. Oh, here. That's a nail. Why is it moving so easily? Hold up. Ooh, hold on. Still wedged in there, but yeah, I'll show that soon. So I'm only going as far as the last cut after this, and then I'll mold it in. I'm just scared, bro. So once these are done, I'll just cut across the grain and they'll come off. I mean, we could do that now before we carry on. Let me get one of my 22-year-old chisels. There you go, got one of our 22-year-old ones that we're going to use. Okay, I'll turn them around so you can see. Yeah, your boy's not using his proper chisels on this just yet. We wait till the coast is clear. Just moving our blocks in. There we go. Okay. Can you see that all good? Is that alright? Oh, shit. Is that alright? Okay, must be all good, eh? I kind of want to move it over a bit more. Right. Might be able to suss out some timber. Oh yeah. Wee, that might be helpful for the future. Yeah, how you like that? Yes, Any people from here will understand the meme. Yeah, how you like that? What kind of do you like to carve? Just ones that I don't have to pay for. I'll carve anything. Let me just go and get my phone. Ooh, love to see it, love to see it. My phone usage is down. My hourlies are dropping. That's good, that's good. Good sign, good sign. So my phone now, it used to be quite bad, eh? It's mainly because I watch reels, stupid reels all the time. And streams, of course. I don't know if anyone else sends dumb reels to their significant other. They think are funny as, and they get the most dead response ever from their significant other. Yeah, I do a lot of that, eh? But yeah, I was quite bad on my phone at one point, just watching streams on there. And it's dropped down to 3 hours, 2 hours, sorry, which is good. I'm trying to get it at lower and lower and lower. Yeah, bro, fuck some of the reels, bro. It's the one when you watch the reels at 3 AM and you're trying your hardest not to laugh. I'm the worst when I'm on the toilet though, for just flooding the wife's DMs with reels. Bro, your reels are dumb here. It's like you just got dumb humor, that's all. Okay. Coast is clear so far. Tōtara my fucking ass. This is yellow as shit. Tōtara is supposed to be red. We can all see the colour, eh, chap? Yeah. Yeah, there's... Oh! Gotta carry on. Low enough. Okay. Alrighty. Not bad so far, okay? Not bad so far. Still want to be careful though. surprised. I'll be surprised if I get paid for this job. But in saying that, I won't hold my breath. It's like when you borrow money. Looks like you're carving a replacement guardian for Whakairo. Okay. The Tauihu. Hey, what up, brother JD? How you, my bro? Sticker deposit from starting commissions led there with Mahi. Didn't get paid for is ridiculous. Yeah, it could have been. Oh, I can't really do that to whānau though. I'm a bit of, yeah, I'm a yes man when it comes to the fams. They're just lucky they didn't ask around the end of the year. I would have said box of crayfish, kinners, powers. So yeah, if you're a future client that lives here in Aotearoa and you stay by the sea, you know what you gotta pay with. Get the girls some prawns too. That is true, my daughter does love her prawns. Finally got to catch one of your streams, brother. I do night shifts, so normally sleep at this time. Wee, you've been up late, my bro. How long you been doing Whakairo for? Since I was 12, my bro. 12 years old is when I started, brother, back in Kura Kaupapa. My uncle, he was the one that kind of opened this world to me at the time. Unfortunately, he's not around anymore. He's not around anymore. But he was pretty much him, my bro. I'm feeling a bit risky. The worst thing we could probably break off is the part where the 21 goes, but they'll get the idea if there's no 21 on there. Is your sole job streaming? Pretty much. Streaming has been my full-time thing for the last 6 years. Pretty much, my bro. And, you know, there's other things that I get in between too, like commission, prices from commissions, or like revenue. There's YouTube revenue as well, even though it's, you know, so small. And now adding to the mix is the Kick revenue from being a partner too. So even while I'm streaming, I may not be getting subs on Kick, but you know, there's a what is it, a chat rate? There's a chat rate, viewer rate, and just watching as well on top of the subs. So there's like different streams here and there. So that's why I kind of push so hard to get the Kick partnership too. And at the same time, TikTok as well. Okay. she's stubborn, alright. Going to see my old man on Thursday to talk to him in person. Yeah, don't make it a priority though. You make sure you just go and see your old man to see your old man. I'm alright. All good, all good. I'm still trying to figure out where to put this block of Maori. If you don't know what Maori is, Chip, it's a hardwood. To those that live outside of the country. Identifying features for Maori: has a beautiful grain and smells like piss. So if you feel like you pissed yourself while carving Maori, you probably didn't. Just sanding. That's all it is. Shit, sorry. Wrestling the timber too hard. What's your favourite type of wood to carve with? You, as I mentioned earlier, one I don't have to pay for, my bro. And I'm not even lying to you, brother. That is the Mecca wood to me. Hey, what up, Social Club? I'm doing good, my bro. I'm doing good. What's up, Colby? Yeah, brother. That's always been my answer, brother. Just one I don't have to pay for. Bloody beauty. I will not lie about that. Wonder how what's that? Also, you reminded me of something I need to do on the Discord. So some of the bros, they did some carvings earlier in the year. But you know how in this day and age, so to those that don't know, in this day and age, we as people who do Whakairo cannot get one singular large piece of timber anymore. A lot of the time it's laminated, and so what some of the bros did, they were exploring different species of carvings as well, of timber to do our carvings with. And yeah, there's a lot of species that they used. I went to go and see them with my baby. I'll post them in the Discord so you can see them. Yeah, because you know we can't really cut down whole trees, because that's naughty. It's a little bit naughty, okay? I'll put them in the art section. I only took a photo of a few of them. I didn't take a photo of all of them. They're posting up now. Quite sure indigenous people over here to take their need. Yeah, like it's pretty much a law against a lot of people, but it can depend in situations too. Like, I'll be honest, I could probably go home, cut a tōtara tree down and no one will ever know, but I'm not going to. Taking a long time to upload because I'm far away from the Wi-Fi. If you're going for a coffee, Yeah, we're going for... Oh, I want a coffee. Yum. Where can I... We're feeling the impact of it personally with my art and can't commission a piece of art from me. Yeah, oh, this AI situation, eh? I think the big issue I have with AI is the data centers, eh? The data centers is what I think is a big issue because, you know, when they put these things down, it affects the area right around them. Like from people's drinking water to their living. Because it uses up so much water, eh? And that's why I'm not really a fan of it. In this, you know, ever-changing world that we live in. So I'm just cleaning this up. Need nuclear power to power them, yeah. You excited for the new GTA? Yeah, my bro, the more we get closer to November, my bro. 24-hour off the rip, my bro. 24-hour stream off the rip. Gonna go for the masters. To be a master carver? Or the degree? Yeah, I got told I can go and do that through the wire. It'll only be 2 years. Because I've already done 3 at Te Puya. I was like, oh, we'll see. We'll see. Life's a bit busy right now. Life is a bit busy, so... It's not really something in my sights just yet. Something I'm kind of prioritizing is just saving to hopefully get a house. As hard as it is in this day and age. So my mum and my auntie, they just finished doing all the successions for all of our family shares in land, and my mum and my auntie pretty much split them up for me and my 2 cousins, but I will probably give them all to my girls or put them into a trust. Just so they're secure. Oh, can't play this, get in trouble. So yeah, there's a lot of that that my mum and my auntie have been sorting out. Well, now that they have grandkids, eh? It's like that's the main thing. Yeah, I still gotta get I still gotta buy GTA. I'm probably gonna be that guy and get the deluxe, to be honest. Especially if they're gonna do the dumb thing and lock shit behind it. I'll be honest, I'm not a fan of it, but what can you do, eh? Well, look, speaking of MMOs too, I'm looking forward to seeing what Riot's cooking up. Yeah, my bro. I have to, eh? It's just so our YouTube VODs don't get balked. So I'm just cleaning this up now so I don't have to do it later. Then we'll just start molding this section. Play Albion online? Nah, I'm good. I'm good. I don't mind waiting. Yeah, next time I'll be playing MMOs is when I go to America for BlizzCon. Right. That should be clean enough. I kind of want to... This nail was moving quite a bit. This one here. Anyone seen that new, is it Odyssey? Apparently it's really good. Let me know if anyone's seen it. Yeah, I haven't been to the movies since, shit, Mario. Mario was the last time I went to the movies. Just write it for you. Oh shit. Alright. There we go. Okay. Do I want to take this any further? Should we try and take some more? Probably pay to, eh? Yeah, I haven't seen, my kids went to watch live action Moana. They loved it, eh? They were buzzing. How is this? Ooh. I want to do this? I don't know. I don't know if I want to. One day I would like to buy a piece of claim one. The papers fans are from far north. Oh, okay. Good to know. Good to know. Yo, Casey. Thank you very much for the raid. I hope you had a wonderful stream. Good to see you. How you been? I don't know if I want to do it here. I might hit a nail. Hello, hello, hello. Got any wedges? Nah. I'll be honest, I'd rather buy the wedges to eat instead of for the wood. It should be all good though. We can mold this now. Hello Casey, I hope you had a wonderful stream. No doubt you would have been creating something amazing, as usual. Good to see you. Kia ora everybody, my name is Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. We're currently doing something I don't normally do these days. It's a family job, so I'll probably be getting paid with a hug. We're doing a 21st key for one of my cousins. My little cousins, one of my little cousins or nephews is turning 21. I usually do stream to the special game. Oh, okay. Some pixel art game called a shore hike. Ooh, okay. Sounds pretty cool. Yeah, I often jump into your streams now and again too while I'm chilling with my kids. They like watching art streams as well. So thank you very much for the raid. I just got to cut these. Yeah, so the only problem with this timber, it's got nails all over it, and I'm too stingy to use my machine or my power tools for a family job. And on top of that, it's got like nails all over it. I'm hearing people talk about the art. Oh, nice. Yeah, so I've been doing Maori wood carving. So it's a traditional art form that's been a part of our culture. I'll just turn this down. That's been a part of the Maori culture for a number of generations. Although, you know, this is a bit more contemporary, what I'm doing. But yeah, I started when I was 12 years old. That's genuinely when I started this art form itself. With my uncle, and have been doing it ever since, pretty much. I'm now 34, turning 35. So about 22 years, 23 maybe? I didn't pass maths class, so... Well, I did, but you know, I've forgotten all that already. Let me just mark these since I'm not using power tools. Sorry you can't see the drawings, guys. I just need to see them for the cuts. So all I'm doing right now, yeah, 34. And it's just what I love to do in life, eh? I've always, or a lot of, like, the generations amongst our people always have immense love for our culture, and it's been that way for a number of years. I'll turn it around soon. I'm just marking these two sections here. So the first cut we did was between the eyes and the brow. And we're just doing the one between the nose and the mouth. There we go. So all we're doing right now is just cleaning along the outsides before we initially start molding it. You look younger without the beard. I'll be honest, I was getting comfortable without the beard, eh? I genuinely was. Bro, you and Jim Skin bring out the best in people. Jim Skin, wait. Where have I heard that name before? I think I've seen TikToks of him. And he had like the big chin filter. And he's like, everyone's calling me Buzz Lightyear. He does that stuff. I think that's him. I think that's Jim Skin. Who are you supposed to be? The Crimson Chin? He used to be him. I think that's who I remember him as. He was just always walking around London doing like videos and that funny as. Okay, how are we gonna do this? So we're going, our grain is going that way. This is gonna be hard to mold because we're on end grain here, and it's gonna obviously break. So the way we kind of have to navigate this. Yeah, that's him. Yeah, he's like chiseled as, eh? Yeah, he's funny. Yeah, the way we're gonna have to navigate this is small cuts basically, because majority of this is end grain, so it's not the best to carve on. Better if I just use a bloody saw. So that's the problem with end grain sometimes, because it's got nowhere to go in. But there are some angles, alright? There are some angles. Yo, what's up, Koza? Love the stream, it's relaxing, that's good to know, my brother. Where you from, my bro? Nice to meet you. Yeah, so sometimes the end grain can be as stubborn as my grandmother. But so am I, so I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm a stubborn man too, so she'll be right. There you go. Are you from the UK, brother? Jeez, be late for you, eh? Nice to meet you, my bro. Just watch the final. Oh, is that well, is it Spain and Argentina, eh? But I ain't gonna lie, bro. I hope Spain wins. Greetings from Finland. How's life been after the pandemic? I ended up having 2 more kids. Hey, life goes on, my brother. Apparently we got COVID back in the country again and bird flu. If that was me, bro, I would have just, you know, while no one was looking, just clapped the bird. Bang! Yeah, I wonder what was stopping them from just, you know, shoot the bird, grab a gas can. Oh, Spain won! Yes! Let's go! I only wanted to go for Spain because, bro, the Argentina won the last one. The Spaniards! Let's go, Spain! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I was rooting for Spain too. I just wanted someone different to win there. 2 wins in a row is too much. Yeah, not a few of the All Blacks there though, or the Springboks. But yeah, I only just started watching football this year, and obviously I was going for Norway. I watched Norway versus Brazil, and I was like, wow. So this is what it's like. And yeah, it's it was fun. I'll probably start watching it a bit more now. One thing I love a lot about it is just how passionate the fans are, eh? Spanish bro was screaming and yelling for a couple hours ago. Yeah. Yeah, this is my first time really paying attention. I tried watching in 2018. Yeah, I was the same too. I think the thing that put me off the most was when, you know, you could have farted on one of the ankles there and they would have took a dive. Oh, yeah, I watched Norway's game and I was like, wow, this is actually cool. And that's when I became Norway mana. And a lot of my followers from Norway were like, oh, welcome, welcome. But yeah, I'm looking forward to the next one. I'll probably watch a little bit more. Is it the Premier League? But I'm probably gonna, sorry to every Arsenal fan, Manchester United fan, Chelsea fan, I'm probably gonna follow Manchester City for Haaland, to be honest. Thanks to the World Cup. Oh, I gotta follow. I didn't know Scotland had a team. I gotta follow Scotland too, because I got some Scottish heritage in my blood. I'm trying to learn it. Trying to be better at both worlds than Hannah Montana. Morning from Auckland. Morena, my bro. Come from rugby, ball went out. I caught the ball. Seems to say soccer wasn't for me. That is fair. The muscle memory kicked in, my bro. The muscle memory kicked in. Bro grabbed the ball and went straight up the guts. That's funny. And cool. I like that. I'm a bit under the weather, so I'm gonna... No, you're fine, you're fine. Go and rest. Thank you very much for the raid. I fully understand. And I want you to go and rest too. Thank you very much for the raid. And I'll see you next time. Yeah, I'm happy they won too, brother. Brother Koza. Oh, that's so cool for Spain. Oh, that's so cool, bro. Sorry to the Argentinian fans that may watch. Tell you what, rugby has been, yeah, rugby's definitely, it's good to see rugby back in full force again. Yeah, it's definitely good to see it back up and running again. It feels like it's been so long, eh? Whenever the Panthers, Bulldogs smashed, bro, the Tigers got smoked, eh? Whilst got their game, but a few bad calls I hear. Raiders did some wicked runs, yeah, and then the ABs in Ireland as well. That game was on. I am looking forward to as we come into these final rounds of the NRL. Fuck, it's gonna be so good, eh? I was at the World Cup rowing. Yeah, I was doing the rowing whilst watching it on the TV. Yeah, I was doing the rowing too. Wait, were you there? Yo! Hello? Yeah, no, I was doing it too, brother. Dun dun. Dun dun. No, I'm broke, but worth it, eh? You know? Can't beat making memories, brother. Save up and do it all again at the next one, my bro. Yeah, what are you crafting today? We are doing 21st key for my nephew, my bro. Not something I normally do these days. But yeah, that's what we're up to at the moment, my brother. I'm gonna bring TikTok into the mix now, guys. I'm wondering if I just put them in the car like last time, because I was closer to the Wi-Fi. So if you don't know, just a bit of a lore for you guys, yous are in the trunk of the car. Okay? That's where I keep yous nice and cozy. Every stream. Alright? Just wanted to let yous know. Let's go Spain. Let's go Spain. Love to see it. Alrighty. Time to karaoke, aka carry on. I watched NRL since 2018. Just checked in to see what I think since I've been born. Yeah, I think so, my bro. It's been a pretty Mickey year. Like even last year, I'd say even last year for the Warriors was pretty good, eh? And this year has just been coming up even more. Like even the culture of the team as well. The culture of the team, it's looking pretty good. Like I'm no day one Warriors fan, but yeah, they're looking pretty good this year. Yeah, looking pretty good. Oh, I'm still buzzing for Spain, eh? That's so cool. Oh, I'm so glad Spain won, bro. They call him the Spaniard. Go the Cowboys, yeah, brother. And even the NRLW, been watching the ladies too. They've been going hard. NRLW's been mean. All the Messi videos about to come out. It's gonna be the theory crafters for me. It'll be the theory crafters for me, my bro. Oh, that's so cool, bro. Oh, man. W, Spain. I didn't realise how bad the Argentinian fans are being over there, eh? Women's Cowboys are top. I don't know. I haven't actually checked the standings, to be honest. I know they just had a game against the Wahines over the weekend. I think it was over the weekend. Could be wrong. Could be wrong. Wow. Oh. That's a lot. That's pretty cool though. Oh, I'm just so happy Spain won, eh? Hi from Christchurch. Kia ora. What's good, Zach? Thank you very much, Freemo, for the aroha as well. 68% on possession. Holy. Fuck, Spain went crazy. See, look how loose this is. This nail. Hello, man. First time in the stream. Hey, brother. Nice to meet you, bro. We're just talking about the World Cup. I didn't watch it, so, and I'm just happy that Spain won. W Spain. W Spain. Wow, they dominated. Good on them, though. I'm just glad that there's a new winner, eh? Just glad that there's a new winner. It's not the same people winning over and over again. Was screaming in Spanish this morning again. Your neighbor was on the vibes. On the vibes. Oh shit! I knocked out. I didn't realize I knocked it. There we go. Love watching your videos, keeps me sane. What's up, Lane? How are you, brother? Spain, eh? Too much, alright, Spain. Barely speaks in English, but he's friendly, so happy for him. Yeah, yeah. Thank you very much for the roses, my bro. Viva España. Hey, congratulations. Love to see it. Oh, that's so cool, bro. That is so cool. We need to check cut this now. Okay, we need to go here, here. So we'll just check cutting all of this because it's got to get dropped. What are you using? Well, we were told that we were using tōtara, but it's pine. A native commoner folk tree. Yeah, we're just using some pine today. All we're kind of really doing, Viva España, let's go! España, sorry. Love to see it. Thank you very much, HC. Oh, I'm so happy for them, man. If you do something you love for a job, you'll never work a day in your life. That is true. That is true. What's up, Balloon? Oh, bro, that's so cool. I'm so happy for Spain, eh? Hello from Germany. Kia ora, brother. How are you? Oh, I'm going the... Oh, no, I am going the right way. There you go. Where are we? You should be on Streaming University. Hell no. Nah, I've already spoken about it. I'd rather not, to be honest, because I can't see myself, you know, enjoying being around loud people, because it's not my kind of vibe. So, obviously, there would be some that I genuinely like to talk to, the likes of, what's his name? The tech guy, Keemstar. I've really been enjoying the Keemstar guy's streams from the Streaming University. A real helpful person as well to other people. And probably Ludwig and Agent. But in terms of like the students, I've been watching that Keem guy's streams, and he seems like a real helpful dude. For the attention, but yeah, I don't really, yeah, I'm good. I'm happy where I am. Hello from Scotland. Hello, my Scottish cousin. How are you? I recently found out I have Scottish heritage, hence the reason why I called you a cousin. And I'm trying to learn it. Or hopefully I can. Just waiting for my my dad's side to give me the papers. Oh, we need to mold that. All good, SMG. Have a good day, eh? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Anno. Kia pai tōra e hoa. Wait, SMG. I'm wondering if it's the same SMG from... Never mind. It's a conversation for another day. Cheerio, brother Ed. How are you, my bro? Okay. Everyone on TikTok okay? No way I've not seen this guy in ages. Hey, brother Will, how are you? Hope you're doing good, my bro. Shout out to Spain. Shout out to Spain. Greetings from England. How are you? I'm good. Don't stay up too late if you're in England. I know how late it is. I know how late it is, good sir. What do I train today, guys? I'm thinking... Oh, what do I want to train today? I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what I want to train today. Good morning, Trouble Turtle. How are you? Oh, your name. Okay, okay. Yeah, that's a good change. That's a good change. You don't want to have your whole name on. Don't want to have your whole name on there. Yeah, it is lagging. I was wondering why TikTok was so quiet. It's weird because my internet has full bars, but it's lagging, which I find really interesting because we're at full bars. So I don't know how to combat that. Hello from the US. Love watching you do your craft. Oh, hey, brother. Nice to meet you, my bro. Nice to meet you, good sir. Hope you're doing well. I'll be in your neck of the woods for about 4 days in September. Hopefully Ice don't think, hey, who the fuck are you? The one who's about to bend your mum over? No, those ones, eh? Start being cheeky back to them and get locked up indefinitely. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with our TikTok. I might just have to end it, eh? That's probably the one thing, yeah, I'm gonna be a bit wary of when I'm in America. The last 2 times I was there, you know, ice wasn't really a thing. So, yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'm gonna be at BlizzCon majority of the time. Because they, I saw on the news they mistook an Australian tourist, eh? An Australian for, you know, one of their so-called targets. Which was interesting, but not surprising at the same time. What's up, Tosca? How you doing? Hopefully it's all good. Everybody from in here had any trouble? Yeah, we should be all good. I mean, I'm not gonna go around places. We'll probably just be at the venue majority of the time. I remember my first time I went to BlizzCon and I didn't know, or I should have known actually, that they have snipers on the roofs. I woke up one morning, you know, and nothing but my undergarments, belly out and everything. And I looked out the window and I saw them setting up on the roof. I was like, what the hell's going on here? And then we all met down in the lobby. And they went, hey, did you know there's like people that have sniper rifles on the roof for BlizzCon? And they went, oh yeah, that's normal. I was like, oh, okay. Right. Like I pretty much said, I guess I'll carry on with my day then. Spain beat Argentina, yeah, we were just talking about it earlier. I'm just glad someone new won, bro. Like, genuinely. What the? Oh, thank you very much, Eli Gao, for the 70 roses. Hoi. Thank you, my bro. Thank you very, very much for the aroha, my bro. Sorry, I kind of zoned out a little bit there, focusing on the mahi. And they have snipers on the roofs. Yeah, and I mean yeah, I just got told it's like a normal thing. Just you never know, like the metal detectors and everything as well. At the front gate. I I made one of the security guards a bit flustered because this was my first time. So back in BlizzCon, like you go through metal detectors, okay, and then the one of the security guy goes, "Oh, I gotta pat you down." And I went, "Oh, okay, just know I like women, okay." And he went, "Oh, not like that." I went, "Oh, sorry, nah, this is my first time here, so I don't know what to do." and he just laughed. I went, "Oh, sorry, bro. I didn't know what you meant by pat me down. Like only my wife can pat me down like that." She was my girlfriend at the time. And one of the security guards go, "You're from New Zealand, eh?" I went, "Yeah, I am. Well, we call it Aotearoa." Well, I do anyway. And he goes, yeah, I can hear it. He's like, "Cheer, bro. Anyway, gotta go." Be a big eye opener for some of us village kids. yeah, it was a pretty hardcore one. But I'm saving up a little bit of cash too, so I can get one of those what are those little things called by is it DJI osmosis camera things, so we can vlog. Yeah, I'm saving up to get one of those too. I got till September, so we should be good. We should be good. Are we still lagging on TikTok while no one's talking? I think we are. That's a bit annoying. Yo, what up, Oliver? How are you, my bro? DJI, yeah, those, the same people that, wait, do they? Yeah, one of those. Yo, what's up, Galaxy Reptile? I see a whippy emote. Hope our bro is doing good, man. He's been streaming for a long time, eh? He has been streaming for a long time. I hope he's doing good. Yeah, hope he's doing good. Kia ora, DK, how are you, brother? Are we still lagging on TikTok? I need a round. What's up, Leon? Yeah, I don't know. Are we still lagging on TikTok? Must be if no one's talking. Damn. Might have to just turn it off. I remember you've hosted a moment video and you remind me it was... Oh, Chad, what's up, Meijing? Hello, Chad. What's up, Frozen Saddle? How are you? How are you, good sir? How are you? Before we do this, I should probably draw our level out so we know how far not to go down. Got up in Australia. How's the wood carving? Good, Turtle. Good, my bro. Got on a bit early. Kids are at school, so all is well over here, my brother. Sorry, just drawing out our line in a depth so I know how far I need to stay up. Because we don't want to go too far. Yeah, I think our TikTok is still lagging, eh? Can anyone in the TikTok confirm with me now that if it's lagging? If no one comments, then it probably is. That's usually how I've caught it. Yeah, okay. I'll cancel it for now. No, you're good. Are you sure? Are you sure it's all good? Because I'll probably just turn it off. Oh my god, voice. Okay, there we go. Mate ahuru mo wai, mate ona I kura waka, mate whare hanga hanga, kamatone ruirangi, ka whane mai tamariki, nana nei anoi poi poi a. Nei rā te tino, mahi nui o te wahine. Hara mai rā, hara mai wakanuia. He mana tō te wahine, he mana anōna te tane, wakanuia. Thank you, Caden. Are we still lagging on TikTok? Now you are lagging. Okay. Well, might have to just can it. Because that's not fair on TikTok. Hold up. Hey, morning, Nicatude. How are you, my bro? Good morning, brother. Good morning. How are we? Thank you very much to those that have contributed to the sub goal as well on Twitch. Appreciate yous. What's your favorite wood to carve? One that I don't have to pay for, my bro. Hey, back on Earth Creations. Thank you very much for the raid. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Welcome through, everybody. First of all, I hope you had a wonderful stream. First of all, thank you very much for the raid over on Kick 2. Welcome through, guys. My name is Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver, and we are unfortunately doing a dreaded family job. Now, why is it unfortunate that I'm doing a family job? The payments normally consist of a hug and a thank you, okay? That's why they can be a bit yeah, rough. Thank you very much, Steffi, and we do's it for the follows as well. Thank you very much, guys. So yeah, it's we're doing a 21st key for my little nephew, or not so little anymore. And this has been some of the most annoying timber so far. Why? Because it's basically riddled with nails. So every cut is a risk. We've come across 4 at the moment. But it seems good so far for now. What's up, Shugum? How you doing, brother? I hate those jobs. Oh man, they are the worst sometimes. But I'm too much of a nice guy. I'm a yes man to the fam some majority of the time. But it must be done. I've got till August, so I've got heaps of time. But yeah, I'm just gonna take my time with it. It'll be annoying when they start asking for updates. I'm like, how about you just believe in me? You don't need updates. Alright. Love your work. It's so satisfying. Thank you very much, Miller. Cheers, brother. Thank you, Weasley Jolly. Weasley. Oh, Wesley. Sorry. Thank you very much for the follow as well. Followed you in 2020. Freeze to receive donations and use them on their own families. Was nice of you, man. Oh, amazing. Yeah, that was about 6 years ago. Yeah, 6 years ago. We've been streaming full time for about 6 years now. And, you know, always grateful every day that I can push live and be able to share what I love to do full time with you guys. I'll never wake up ever in you know, in an ungrateful mindset kind of thing. Even on a bad day, you know, always gotta be grateful, always. Show gratitude, always. Thank you very much, Crims, for the follow as well. We must be, what, we must be at 900 on Kick by now, eh? Godfather Wabbit. I tore Wabbit. I know that's not the lines, but I just wanted to say it. I tore Wabbit. Thank you very much, Steffi. Yeah, always gotta, you know, always wake up grateful. Always. Have to. Just like the slogan says, you know, touch wood in the morning. And in this stream, we touch wood more than a gooner. It's not me, it's them, you know, skill issue. Putty tat, yeah. Who said that? It was Tweety, eh? You get the shampoo sponsor? No, I did get contacted by workers from a company called Lush. And I confirmed with one of my viewers as well. And she said they are very amazing. So I'm assuming they're good. How's your day been? What's up, Lil Bina? My day has been good, brother. My day's been good. Kids are back at school. We're all back into the swing of things with the fams. Sylvester. Oh, it was Sylvester. Yeah, that's right. The one who was trying to eat Tweety, eh? Yeah, that's right. See how much I've forgotten? That's when cartoons were great. These days they are rubbish. That's just my personal opinion, guys. Are you going to see the Odyssey? No, but I have heard good things about it. I have heard good things about it. Did you go and watch it? Who here out of all the streams has seen the Odyssey? When's summer in Australia? I don't know. Ask someone from Australia. 100% agreed on the cartoon take. You must have other chats. Yeah, I'm streaming on 4 different platforms. I know I should really be streaming more on Kick these days, like on its own, which I will probably do. in due time. There will be days where I might just do a stream on one platform. Now that we got partner, because it'll be much more worth it as well. I haven't, bro. Yeah. I've heard a lot of good things about Odyssey as well. Thank you for the watermelon. Damn, fruit sounds good right about now. Thank you, Crystal. I haven't seen you in forever. How you been, recent? What are you carving? Unfortunately, I am carving a 21st key. Now, that does not mean people can bombard me with, can you do a 21st key for my cousin, wife, breakfast, lunch, and tea? This is a one-off, okay? Are you on TikTok? Yeah. So on TikTok, Kick, Twitch, and YouTube. So if the music stops in the streams, it's probably because TikTok's on. Because I only ever jam game music in my streams. Just to be safe. Okay, hold up. Just gotta do this real quick. Yeah, the reels are, well, my Instagram has been going really hardcore lately. Like, the views and the followings as well. All I'm really trying to do is just, you know, post consistently. That's the main thing. Hey, brother, are you eating well? How's the family? Tony, we're doing good, my bro. The fam's as well. Fam's is happy. Kids are excited to be back at school, so that's a W mindset for me. In terms of my eating, I'm eating well, brother. Probably going to go to the gym after the stream. Try and get a gym session in before, you know, just spending the rest of the day with the kids. One of my daughters has basketball today. You say 21st key. So, allegedly, you know, when you turn 21, you get a 21st key kind of thing. I didn't get one because I didn't want to have a 21st. I just wanted to be left alone. But I had to have a birthday because my family said and my grandmother said. I don't know what the ideology behind it is, but I always thought, you know, it's the key to your adulthood. So, you know, it's when you become an adult. That's what I've always thought about it. I could be wrong. But that's kind of like the thought I had about, you know, getting a key when you turn 21. Here's the key to your adulthood. Now go. Cherry by the tree. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, it's not really a Maori thing, but I think it's a thing just everyone does here. Like for me personally, the reason why I don't do 21st keys is for that reason specifically. You know, it's not something we ever do in our culture all the time. We usually gift taonga Maori. Like for example, my cousin, she turned 21 over the weekend, and she got a mean one. I was kind of jealous. She got a mere pounamu. Now a mere pounamu is a greenstone patu. I was like, ooh, you little shit. She scored big. Yeah. Oh, Ranger, thank you very much for the follow as well, brother. Oh, thank you, Stiffy. Where are we over here? Thank you very much to the bro for the tiny dino. So yeah, my cousin, she got a mere pounamu for her 21st. It was cool. I'm surprised I even got invited because I didn't invite her to my wedding. I invited our grandfather. But yeah, proud of her. They've you know, they've gone through a lot in their lives. So it's pretty cool that she could celebrate that special day with her brothers. What's up, Omar? How you doing, brother? Smacked. Thank you very much for the aroha, my bro. What's up? What's that? Hola, brother. I don't know what your name says. Where are we? I set up my own 21st spent 2K on booze and meat. Fuck, actual. Fuck, that would have been some mean koi though. Yeah, it was an all white party. I got there and I was like, fuck, it looks like we're going to a cult meeting. And my cousin was in her maroon clothes pretty much. Yeah, felt like I was going to a cult meeting. Congrats on the wedding. Wishes you the best. Oh, thank you. Yeah, we've been married for about 2 years now. Been together for 11 years and then 2 years married. I always knew. Okay, it's a little thing about me. I always knew. From the age of 16 that I was going to marry someone one day, and it just so happened to be this lady I met many years later. And yeah, we've been together for 11 years, married for 2 years, and we've been parents for almost 8 years now. So yeah, we've been doing life together for a long time, and yeah, she's the one. She's the one. It's fucking annoying though. Even a lot of alcohol unopened, bro. You should have done a sale. All your drunken cousins would have been keen, I reckon. Love your streams, Woodworker from Ireland. Hey, what's up, brother? All the way from Ireland, eh? Jeffrey, thank you very much for the aroha, my bro. I hope you're having a good day. Skips, I hope you're having a good day too, my brother. Right back at ya. Yeah, it's been a good day. You know, I am a big guy for early starts. I like to get everything done on the morning side of the day, pretty much. And hence the reason why I stream in the school hours. Yeah, I'm a big get shit done on the morning side of 12 o'clock. Thank you very much for the rose, my bro. What's up, Rowan? Thank you very much, Captain and Batman. Thank you for the teddy bear. Where is she? Where is she? Hold on, guys. I'm just doing this brow real quick. Yeah, it's gonna be iffy with nighttime streams. I'm trying to make 10 o'clock be in bed, eh? Be in bed by 10 o'clock kind of thing. Planning to see it tonight. Oh, the Odyssey? Yeah. I'll probably watch it when it's free. Yeah, I just can't afford to go to the movies right now. Thank you very much for the roses, guys. Love you, bro. Keep it up. Love you too, brother Ben. Yeah, it's I mean, I can go to the movies, but I'd rather not. You know, it's not a need or a want right now. What's this project? Oh, just doing a 21st key for my nephew. Unfortunately, don't normally like doing 21st keys these days, but can't say no to the whānau. Too hard. Too hard to say no to them. So here we are, doing what we don't like out of aroha. And that's what I'll probably get paid for this job too. Aroha. Thank you, my boy. And then I'll be like, oh, good. But really, oh, good. My pleasure. Wood burning is great. Yeah, my bro, he doesn't really stream these days. One of my bros, his Twitch name was ADH Degenerate. He done a lot of wood burning, and I actually got some pieces off him. I bought some pieces off him. Oh, I won a raffle, and then for one of his pieces, and then I ended up buying a second one just to support him too. If he's won, I can go and get them. It's 12 AM in Scotland. It is 11:21 AM here in Aotearoa, my bro. How is it in my homeland, brother? Hopefully I get the papers for our Scottish whakapapa soon so I can learn it. Whoa! It'd be like that when it comes to the fams. Actual, my bro. Thank you for the biddies, Maori boy. Kia ora. Oh, and love your work. And you do a little present for you. Yo, DJ, thank you for the £5 super chat, my bro. Oh, bro. I'm just glad you're here, brother. That's the gift right there, my bro. Thank you, brother. Oh, thank you very much, man. And Maori boy coming in with all the bits. Thank you, my bro. I always see your clips online. Yeah, I'm trying to be consistent with posting. Trying to be consistent, brother Bob. How you been? Oh, right, Maori boy. Thank you, my bro. Hika. Thank you for the bits, my bro. What kind of wood is that? It is pine, unfortunately. But hey, can't complain. No, actually I can. There's a shit ton of bloody nails in it. I forgot about that. No, I can complain. This is probably hands down the worst timber I've carved. Because you could run the risk of hitting a nail. Far out, Maori boy. Thanks for the biddies, my bro. Thank you, DJ, once again, brother. Where are we? Thank you very much, chatters, for the heart me, my bro. Kia ora, kia ora. I think our TikTok is working now. Because people are talking. There you go. Thank you very much, brother Maori boy. Looks like just wants to rip apart to it's gone dry as. Oh, this? Just trying to make sure everything's all even all the way around. Kinda is pretty much, so don't need to stress about it too much. I think we're gonna need to drop this down a bit more actually, it's way too high. I've got a hoopy running down my nose. I've got a hoopy running down my nose. It runs down my nose and into my mouth. I can feel it on the tip of my tongue. I got a hoopy running down my nose. Does not know song. Yeah. Hey Brox, what do you think about T1 losing to Gingy? Who else? Oh, what's the EWC? Is that another comp they were at? Wait, I did see a clip though. It was... Is it the one in Kedia was in the base, but they had Pays lockdown? In Botland? Yeah, unfortunate, eh? Unfortunate. But oh well. It happens, my bro. It happens. You can't win them all. But we'll continue to support them. Thank you. Much love to you, brother D. RXH26, thank you very much. And Jasper, hello from Guyana. Did you watch... Do I watch F1? Not really. Sorry, bro. One day. I mean, I started watching football this year, so you never know. You never know. Congratulations once again to Spain. Just glad it wasn't the same as the last time. Yeah, I'm genuinely happy Spain won. They're the land of the Matador, right? That's them? That game was Mortal Kombat. Thank you very much, Who Knows, and Aussie. Thank you very much. How has life changed, bro? Immensely. Immensely, I'd say. In many different ways, not just streaming. Not just streaming, my bro. And, you know, as a father, as a husband as well. Are you the guy that got donated and was grateful? Yeah, it's me. How are you, brother? Hope you're doing good, my bro. What country do you live in? Aotearoa, New Zealand. What's up, Chappie? Cheer, my brother. You're good, man. I respect you. Oh, tried my best in the world, my brother, just like anyone else. What's up, Robbie? How are you, brother? And Jordan. Just trying to make sure, you know, we have a nice, happy place for everyone here. That's the main thing for me. What's our time? It is 11:28. I have to pick my daughter up at 2. So that gives me approximately 3 hours at the gym. I don't even know what I'm going to train today. I done legs on Monday. I think we change it up and do something else today. If you get this Prime Minister on, bro, can you give him a dong? Oh, he won't even get a yes. He wouldn't even be let anywhere near me. And if I did, I'd probably just clip farm him. Why do you hate us so much? Oh, you know, when it comes to the statistics of the oil right now, and all we're trying to do is make sure that we sign all these partners who go off the ball again. Where are we? Hey, much love, brother Colt. You know how he talks about one subject and goes way off after that? Brother. Everyone's catching you on your lies, but... Whoa, what was that? Thank you very much, 2-1. Waits for name to pop up. Donut Man. Do not say donut around me. Shout out to my fellow donut man from another donut man. There wishes he could eat a donut right now, but he can't, because if he eats one donut, it's like eating 3 for this body. Okay? Hence the reason why we can't. Union and League. Miss the smell of real wood, bro. How good is How good is a woody smelling house, eh? It's so good, bro. So good. It's really, really good. I think I might just do chest today. I'm gonna save my favourite part to work for Wednesday, hump day. I'm gonna do back. It's gonna be back day. Back day on Wednesday. It's my favourite. Alrighty. Let's put that eye back in. There we go. Drop the nose. Yeah, I think I'll do chest today. Easy chest day. Try and max out today. Save legs for Friday. You know what I don't do a lot of at the gym? The one part I get bored of training, bro, is arms. Arms, bro. I've had this game attack since I was a kid, and I agree. Can't eat him like I used to. My brother, you understand. You understand, good sir. The only time I have a donut, my friend, is in the presence of myself without wife and kids. Gone are the days where I could have more than 3 or 4 or 5. Nowadays, there's merely one. Only one, good sir, only one. I gotta have one while I'm in America though. I wonder what we're gonna do. I don't know, I'll probably just eat the food at the hotel we're staying at when we're in Anaheim. I'm that guy, I always check the fruit. Like, any seeds in this fruit? If they say yes, then I'll eat it. If not, oh, nah, all good. How far from Wanganui are you? I don't know, how far is Rotorua from Wanganui in terms of time? That far. Yeah, it's a bit hard to say, eh? Yeah, I don't know if I'll stream tonight, guys. We'll see. We'll see. I am trying to go to bed earlier these days because I woke up at 4:30 this morning to go for a run. So I'm trying to do like early morning runs instead of doing them in the afternoon when it's cutting into time with the kids. Trying to do that. Yeah, I don't want to train in times that time gets taken away from the kids these days. That's kind of how I've been thinking about it lately. I'm just lucky I can do it straight after stream today too, which is good. Because I feel like when I have a good train, I mentally feel good too. And I don't stress. Don't stress the frick out. Especially with two older daughters that bring me up the bloody wall, man. Gosh. More the second born though. Holy cow. She's a rebel. There we go. Those are just the kind of daughters I'm trying to raise, guys. One that will not fold to weak men. I want them to be resilient and strong as fuck. Okay. Lawson, thank you very much for the aroha. Yeah, if I train, I know, you know I'm not going to stress out. Thank you, Log Dog as well. Are you Samoan? No. I am Maori, but we are Polynesians as well. Okay. Nice little start to today. You know, it's a nice little start. Nothing too crazy. You know, still early days. We'll get all of that done. Once again, congratulations, Spain. Congratulations. Absolutely amazing for you guys. I cannot lie. That's so cool, bro. Spain. Yeah, is that where the Matador originated from? Or is that where it's from? Where do you get the ideas for your designs? I'm fascinated how all the Maori all speak the same. Well, like just the tone of voice. Yeah. One thing I don't like though is how, you know, the Maori accent from this country has been mainlined in programs. I fucking hate it, eh? That's my hot take for the day. Yeah, that's probably my hot take for today. I'm not a fan of it, eh? Not a fan. Yeah, sound like Chester's gonna be a good day today. Not gonna lie, I might train in my vest because I'm cold. Brother man is a bit mucka chilly today, I ain't gonna lie. Thank you very much, Lemo. Did I say that right? Train chest today. Might go for a run when the kids go to bed. I think there might be the play. Actually, no. I'll just start with running once a day. Your Facebook famous? Brox has no enemies? Oh, there's some that hate me. I don't know what I did to them. Maybe, you know, I bent their mother over in their dreams and they saw me in the room. What's up? And I'll be like, it's Duffman. I don't know. I'm just, you know, speculating. Yeah, I mean, I do get my fair share of, you know, fuck yous, drop dead, you know, those kind of DMs. And I just message with, what happened, bro? What happened? Who did it? Some give me the scene, but then some actually say what it is, which is good in a way. You know, I always try and see the positive in a moment, eh? Because you never know why people are being, you know, mad. You just never know these days. Alright, TikTok, I'm sorry I have to do it to you guys this early. But that is going to be us for today on TikTok. Stay there. Yeah, because I'm going to get ready to go to the gym. But we'll probably be back to TikTok streams tomorrow as well. I just started really early today. I started really early today. So thank you very much everyone for joining in. Thank you COD Guy. And I will see you all tomorrow TikTok. Okay, I'll post up some clips today too. Have a good one. See you later. Okay. No, brother, that shit, yeah, like, you just never know when it comes to people when they're hating and mad. So I kind of use that as an opportunity, you know, to break the wall and see if they're okay. Like, if I get no message back, that's fine. Like, or water under the bridge. But at least, you know, try and do it. How we doing, guys? Yeah, so, you know, a lot of the molding is underway. I'm gonna keep it relatively thick because I just don't know about the nails, eh? Yeah, I'm gonna keep the timber thick. But yeah, we'll mold it regardless. And yeah, what are we doing? So I'm gonna train chest today. That's the plan for me. Who's all here on Kick? Is any of our bros live today? Mr. Kima. Oh, he's unboxing first edition stuff today. Damn. Okay, what a baller. He's been one of my favorites to watch at that streamer university. Like, he's genuinely a cool dude, just by the way he carries himself, and I can respect that a lot. So yeah, pretty much him. He's the only one that I've been watching out of all the students, pretty much. Cheers, Chef. Have a good day. Have a good day, my bro. Hope work goes by fast too. Hope work goes by really fast for you, my bro. Let me just sort these chisels out. Fuck, I'm actually excited to go to the gym, and I don't even take pre-workout. Man, I commend those that dry scoop that shit, eh? Every time I see someone do that, I'm like, bleh. The closest thing I had to pre-workout was Werther's sugar. And plus, I don't buy pre-workout anyway because it's too dear. Ever tried Hi-Fi Mud? Coffee and Coke. Try that. Oi, Solly, code hanging your boss. Oh, Madua. let me take these inside real quick and I'll be back. Alrighty. Alright guys, US, Texas, g'day mate, this New Zealand country actually is pretty cool. Oh, you here my bro? Hope you're having a good one, brother. Hope you're staying warm, I'm just getting ready to wind down my bro, okay? But all in all my bro, enjoy your time in the country, okay? It's been 2 weeks that I've been here and I'm enjoying. Oh, where are you now? Where are you now, brother? I'm wondering if you'll come through the city I'm from. If you've smelt rotten eggs while you're here, then I know you've been here. Then I definitely know you have been here, my brother. Alright. Yeah, that is going to be us for today, guys. I'm going to get ready to go to the gym. And then go and pick up my daughter from my mum's. Okay. But all in all, guys, thank you very much for the stream today. Thank you very much for the subs on Twitch, all the follows and the raids too. Ollie just pulling in. Thank you very much for the aroha on YouTube as well. And also, oh, you're still in Christchurch. Cheer, my bro. Go and check out Papa Smashy's Burgers. You might enjoy that. On Twitch, brother. Love you. Have a Mickey day. Yeah, always keep streaming on Twitch, my bro. But if I do go live tonight, yeah, I'm probably just going to play powered because I want to try and get that big armored pal, okay? And I want to start looking at a place where I can build a extravagant looking base. But for now, gotta love and leave yous, okay? Have a good day. I'm off to go train. Look after yourselves with the mind, body, and the soul, and the physical, okay? Do all of those and you'll be good and eat good food. But for now, live, love, World of Warcraft. Have a good one. 07, guys. And if I see you tonight, let's jam. I do need to do my League of Legends ranked games because I really don't want to miss Rengar's skin, bro. Have a good one, guys. Choo-choo. Bye-bye.